Hi all, let's make a quick green curry, chicken green curry or chicken green masala. For that you would need one large onion, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, some cashews, about a teaspoon of cashews, an inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, and a small seed of tamarind pulp, quarter teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon snuff, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, an inch of ginger finely chopped, 3 green chilies. You can increase the green chilies as per your taste. 4 would be good enough. I've taken 3 here. And apart from that, we would need some couscous or poppy seeds. I have soaked it in water here. A bunch of coriander leaves and some mint leaves. There are 2 ways of making this. Either you can dry roast all these dry spices and grind it along with onion, coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, or you can grind everything together and then dry roast the masala. So we are going to do the second way. I'm going to grind all this together. That's why I have soaked poppy seeds. If not, you don't have to soak poppy seeds. You can dry roast and then grind it. Since poppy seeds are not going to grind fine into a paste, so I have soaked it here. You can soak it for about 20 minutes. You need some onions for garnishing on top. We will fry this to golden brown and garnish. And some ghee in the kadai or the pot that you are making green masala. You would need some ghee there. I'm going to fry onions for garnishing first and keep it aside. Let's grind this all now. Now in the remaining ghee that we added to fry onions, we are going to fry the masala. Let's fry this masala until all the raw smell goes, and it might take about 5 to 6 minutes. And meanwhile, the color of this masala will also change to slightish greenish brown. Right now it's green. You see the masala's color has changed, and it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. And now let's add masala water to it. Have added water, masala water, and now I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to add 1 chopped potato and bring it to a good boil and cook until the potato is half cooked. In goes potatoes and some salt to taste. Cover and cook until the potatoes are halfway done. Now let's add chicken pieces in there. And mix everything. You can dilute the gravy if you think you need a little thinner consistency gravy. Since we have added cashews there, and couscous is going to thicken the gravy and the potatoes too. So let's dilute it with little more water. Now let the gravy come to a boil, and then let's cover and cook on medium-low for 5 minutes. The gravy is boiling now. Let's cover and cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low. It's been 5 minutes and our chicken pieces and potatoes are cooked and the gravy is well done. If you are using curry cut pieces, it might take a little longer time to cook, since this is just meat pieces, so it will take less time. So my gravy is done, green masala curry is done, and let's garnish it with fried onions and half lemon juice. I'm going to turn off the heat and garnish. Do try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.